Hello everyone, welcome to JBot AI. Today we are in a world where AI is not just a tool, it's a part of our daily life. Starting from voice assistants answering our questions in our smartphones to recommendation systems guiding our shopping and entertainment choices. Now let's dive deeper into the fascinating world of AI and machine learning. Let's see how they work, why they matter, and how they shape our future. Let's imagine a young child experiencing the world for the first time. When a random person shows her an apple, what's the first thing she gets in her mind? One thing is, it's so bright. Second, maybe hard in nature. Third, maybe something round in shape and looks very pretty, and so on, she get in her mind, right? Similarly, when she sees orange, she identifies a few more features, same for other fruits as well, correct? After she grows up, having seen a variety of fruits, she can now effortlessly distinguish between an apple and an orange without hesitation. So, this process of learning through seeing without any explicit programming is the essence of machine learning. Now, let's take this idea into the digital world. How do machines learn the same way? Instead of seeing only fruits or any other objects, a computer analyzes massive amounts of data that may be our images, videos, sounds, documents, or databases. Machine's brain analyzes the various patterns and characteristics of the object from this data to make the decisions. Machine learning is not just about feeding data into the computer and getting some predictions. It follows a very systematic approach. Let's see what is this. In that first step, it goes is data gathering phase. So here we have to collect the data from various sources that may be APIs or cloud buckets or any other various sources in the form of images, audios, videos, documents, etc. It's based on use cases. Then the collected data is fed into the pre-processing stage. Here, data cleaning will happen and we have to organize the data while removing unwanted data set from the main data. And basically, this stage is for transforming the raw data into a usable format where machine can easily understand. So after cleaning the clean data goes to the algorithm. So we have to select the right algorithm for the right usage, right? So we have to select the algorithm, and then once we select the algorithm, then we have to train the model. So for training the model, we feed whatever the clean data we got in the previous stage. So that data is fed into the algorithm. So the system learns the various patterns and characteristics and relationships from the data. So after training the model, we have to evaluate the performance of the training. So whether it's predicting properly and what is the error and accuracy of this, how to improve the prediction, all those things will be happen in the model evaluation stage. And the last stage is once we get the good accuracy from the model, we have to deploy and use in real world life. So for that, we can deploy this model to the cloud or any servers to get the real-time data, real-time predictions, I mean. So this is the various process a machine undergone to give a prediction. This is the magic happens inside the machine for machine learning. We have talked about how AI learns and makes decision. But how does this affect our everyday life? Right? Well, AI is everywhere. It's a part of our life now. Helping doctors diagnose diseases, recommending movies we will love, and even making self-driving cars possible. That's all because of AI, right? Let's look at some real-world examples where AI is making a huge difference in our life. When it comes to the marketing field, when you browse on Netflix, for watching a videos or any series we love. It suggests movies or TV shows based on what you have watched before, right? That's all because of recommendation system. And also, if you go to any shopping or various e-commerce websites like Amazon, it recommends products similar to what you have searched or purchased before. So that's if we talk about marketing. So what about in a healthcare field? Smartwatches, right? It tracks heart rate and alerts if there is an irregular heartbeat or something else. And also AI helps doctors also for analyzing medical scans to detect early signs of any diseases. In vehicle field, so Google Maps, right? Google Maps suggests the fastest route possible and avoiding any traffic jams or so any police checking nearby. So all those are because of machine learning. In Tesla's, self-driving mode assists in maintaining lane disciplines and detecting various obstacles. That's a feature available in Tesla as well. And Hey Siri or Hey Google, how can we forget those friends? So my Siri activated when I say that.
I'm Siri. How can I help you?
So these assistants helps answer questions or set alarms using voice commands. And also ChatGPT, chatbot, Copilot. We just saw how AI is everywhere and how it's changing our life. Like helping doctors, recommending movies, and even planning our road trips. But AI is not just one thing. It's like a family with different members on it. So each family member has special skills and special way of handling various things. So similarly, when it comes to AI, at the top we have artificial intelligence. It's a big boss. AI is like a supercomputer brain that mimics human intelligence and behavior, making smart decisions based on our data. Next is machine learning. It's like a hardworking learner of the group. ML takes what it has learned from past data and predicts outcomes using various algorithms. Ever wondered how Netflix knows exactly what show you'll bring next? That's ML studying your watching habits and suggesting the perfect match. Then comes the deep learning. It's a brainy sibling who takes things to the next level. It's like that. So deep learning uses neural networks structured like the human brain to process complex tasks like speech recognition, medical imaging, etc. It's why your phone unlocks just by looking at your face. It's learned to recognize you. It's all because of neural network. And finally, meet a cool cousin, that's generative AI. It's a creative genius of the AI family. This is where models like ChatGPT, Copilot come in, creating a new things or generating something. Till now, it was predicting. Now it's generating the new things. So whether it's writing a text, designing images, or even composing a music or video, etc. It's like AI becoming an artist, storyteller, and idea generator. So the next time you ask Siri a question, get a perfect Netflix suggestion or see an AI generated images. Remember, it's all thanks to this amazing AI family working behind the scenes. AI is transforming the world around us. It's not just theory, it's reality, right? You guys know. I hope you were able to connect AI with realistic terms and see its impacts on everyday life. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights.